Okay, number 4. Again, we're going to look for greatest common factor. All of these have an x squared in them, so we're going to factor out x squared. So I'm left with 6 minus 2 is x to the 4th. Okay, minus 14 x squared plus 49. All right. So this is a trinomial. We're going to multiply to c and add to b. What two numbers multiply to 49 and add to negative 14? Well, if you said negative 7 and negative 7, you would be correct. All right? So x squared. So we want negative 7 and negative 7. And we just want to take the square root of x to the 4th. And the square root of x to the 4th is x squared. And that's it. I'm not going to do difference of squares because I don't want to take the square root of 7. That's going to be an icky number. Okay, so let's do this one here. S to the 6th minus 1. To me, this looks like a difference of squares. It's a difference of squares because I can cut 6 in half. Okay, so remember with difference of squares, we're going to have something plus something, something minus something. So I'm going to cut 6 in half, and it's going to give me s to the 3rd power. Take the square root of 1, which is 1, and then it's plus and minus. All right? But this also looks like something interesting that we've studied already. That looks like a difference of cubes. So we're going to go even further and do a difference of cubes. And this is also a sum of cubes. So really, we have 2 more things to factor. This is an icky thing. We're going to factor it all the way using the sum of cubes and the difference of cubes. So we're going to do sum of cubes first, which is this guy right here. Up here, you can't see it, but I'm pointing to right there, sum of cubes. So cubed root of s cubed is s plus cubed root of 1, which is 1, times s squared minus 1 times s is s, plus b squared, 1 squared, which is 1. Okay, then we're going to do this guy, a minus b, so s minus 1 times a squared, so s squared. I'm trying to make it so you can see what I'm doing with everything here. Okay, plus ab, so plus 1 times s, which is s, plus b squared, which is 1. Now, we have completely factored it. We are done. That's all that you had to do with that one. Okay, so number 6, this has 4 terms in it, so we're going to factor by grouping. Okay, what can I take out of both x cubed and negative 2x squared? X squared. I'm left with x minus 2. What can I take out of both negative 9x and 18? Negative 9. So if I divide negative 9x by negative 9, I'm left with x. 18 divided by negative 9 is negative 2. And my 2 factors are x squared minus 9 and x minus 2. But this is a difference of squares, so we're going to do that one. Okay. X minus 2 is still going to hang out here. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 9 is 3. Plus and minus. And we're done.